Did you know that clogged drains can lead to water overflow and costly repairs? It's crucial to act quickly when you notice sluggish drains. Common causes of clogs include dirt buildup, soap scum, hair, and more. Let's explore eco-friendly methods to tackle these issues without harsh chemicals. To keep your drains flowing smoothly, rinse them weekly with hot water. Monthly, flush them using a baking soda and vinegar mixture for deeper cleaning. You're going to need a few basic tools: a plunger, baking soda, vinegar, and a drain snake among others. Collect these before diving in. Start unclogging by plunging the drain. Fill the basin halfway with water, then start plunging to create pressure that will dislodge the blockage. If plunging doesn't work, try the dynamic duo, baking soda and vinegar. Pour 1 cup of each down the drain and let the fizz work its magic. For persistent clogs, grab a drain snake. This handy tool allows you to grab or dislodge stubborn obstructions, letting you unclog the drain effectively. Still stuck? Consider taking the pipes apart. Turn off the sink's shut-off valves, carefully unscrew the pipes, and clean them thoroughly before reassembling. Don't forget about the unpleasant smells. Running a garbage disposal regularly and using boiling soapy water will help keep your kitchen drain odor-free. For a long-term solution, add strainers to collect hair, avoid flushing fats, and don't put grounds down your disposal. Keep drains cleaner for longer.